Okay, so good evening dear students, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we will be learning about the important system which is known as your circulatory system. So before that we have to know what is meant by circulation. So circulation is nothing but the continuous movement of the blood throughout your body. So who is generally helping in this movement of the blood throughout your body means it is your circulatory system. So now what does the circulatory system comprises of? Yes, it is comprised of your blood, some series of networks and as well as your heart. So when we talk about the blood, what are the main constituents of the blood means it is your plasma, RBC, WBC and as well as the platelets. So plasma is nothing but a fluid substance, okay, which generally lodges all your RBC, WBC and as well as your platelets. So now when we talk about the red blood corpuscles, the another name is your erythrocytes. So what is the main function of the red blood cell? It carries the oxygen to the different parts of the body. Not only the oxygen, it could be other substances, like for example it could be your proteins or any of the additional substances. So now when we talk about the WBC, white blood corpuscles, another name is your leukocytes. Okay, so it's like it generally acts as a defense mechanism, helps in defense mechanism. If any foreign bodies enters, so it should attack it. So who is generally helping it? It is your WBC. Finally, there is a platelets which is known as thrombocytes. So helps in clotting of the blood. So these are the constituents of the blood. So when I say series of networks, so it has arteries, veins. Apart from that, even capillaries are present. Okay, so capillaries are present. So arteries are the one which carries the oxygenated blood and veins are the one which carries the deoxygenated blood. Arteries and veins further branches and it forms a specialized network which we call it as your capillaries. Okay, so now since I said arteries are the one oxygenated and veins are the one deoxygenated, there are exceptional cases also. So pulmonary vein and as well as the pulmonary artery. So what you learned, veins means it is deoxygenated, arteries means it is oxygenated, correct? But in the exceptional case, pulmonary veins carries your oxygenated blood and pulmonary artery carries your deoxygenated blood. So that is an exceptional case. So how these helps in the circulation, that we will be learning in the next video. So next, coming to the important muscular organ, the pumping organ, which we call it as your heart, correct? So how many chambers are present in mammals, especially when we talk about the humans, means it has 4 chambers. So what are those 4 chambers? Left auricle or atria, left ventricle, right auricle or right atria and as well as the right ventricle. Okay, so these are the 4 different chambers of the heart. So now which type of the blood enters which part of the heart, that we will be knowing in the next video, especially how the double circulation occurs. And thank you so much for joining my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it. Thank you.